How to add Google Authenticator to Bitget. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to add Google Authenticator for your Bitget account. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch the Bitget mobile app on your device and log into your account. Tap the square icon at top left corner of the screen and now select your profile at top of the screen. Now you'll be redirected to the User Center page. From here, you have to tap on Security. Look for Google Authenticator option. If you see an exclamation mark, it means you haven't enabled it yet. Tap on this section. Now, you will see a key provided by the Bitget app. Simply, you have to copy it. But before that, make sure to download the Google Authenticator application and tap the Next button. You have to set up Google Authenticator application. For that, you need to open Google Authenticator app and you have to paste the key. Tap Add a code and paste it. This will generate a 6-digit code. You have to enter the code in the Bitget. Simply you have to copy the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator and paste it back to the Bitget application. You should see a prompt confirming that you have successfully added a layer of security to your account. That's it, Google Authenticator is now set up on your Bitget account. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.